Hello, my name is Michael Cammack, and I'm going to be going over what I worked on for Sprint 1 in Milestone 1. Here in Jira, we have the tasks that I was assigned, and the first one we'll go over here is the Ember Health, and the user story for that states, as an avatar, I want the ability to extend my max health when defeating a boss so that I can survive longer in battle. And here we are in the boss room. I'll go ahead and show the functionality for the health increasing after I defeat the boss. Alright, and as we can see, our health increases, or the health bar increases, and there was a message that said Ember restored. Alright, so now let's go over the completion criteria for the functionality. Here in the completion criteria, the first one we have is we want a method to increase the health and the health bar. So here in the game, we'll go ahead and show that the functionality is working for it. If we go ahead and take four hits from Q, if I hit Q, it takes 4 hits to die. So now, when I do the Ember Restored, our health bar increases, and now we can take more damage. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it increases by 2, so from 4 goes to 8. Well, from 100 it goes to 200, but the functionality is working. And the completion criteria for these 3 here is all after defeating the boss. The player health bar grows after defeating the boss, max health increases after defeating the boss, and Ember Restored shows up after defeating the boss. Okay, and so to show the functionality again for the max health, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes 4 hits to kill us with the Q press. And there's the text for Ember Restored. The health goes up, and it takes more than 4 hits to kill us. And the next task that I'm going to be going over is the false wall. And here we have a few walls. If I go to this one and attack it, it'll disappear, and the player can go through it to find his hidden treasures. In here, the first completion criteria we have is to create a wall asset that fits in with the other walls. We have our walls. They are set 4 by 4, and for the false wall, I made that a 4 by 4 as well so that it blends in. And the next completion criteria says wall destroys or disappears when attacked by the player. Again, if we attack it, then it disappears. Those were my tasks for Sprint 1, and now I'll go ahead and pass it over to my next teammate.